Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the day that this video goes up should be 2 or 3 days before I leave for Paris, France. I'm not certain when but I know it's going to be around the time that I go to France, and I'm so excited. So I just thought I'd share with you guys what I'm bringing and some travel tips, and share a little bit about my backpack, and because we're not bringing suitcases, just a backpack. So just kind of share how I'm packing everything and what I'm going to do for bringing stuff back and while we're there. So if you want to see it, then just keep watching. The first thing that you want to do before you're going on like an international trip or even out of the state is make a packing list. You'll thank me later. Save yourself. It's so much easier to just use a packing list than writing everything out yourself. I just found one off of Pinterest and downloaded it, and it has different categories. So clothing, hygiene, miscellaneous, stuff you want when you're traveling, like on the plane, and it just has all these categories, and all the stuff that's crossed out in blue is stuff that I'm not bringing. And it has all these categories, and then you can write down how many of the particular item you're bringing. So I would definitely recommend printing out a packing list. For me, it helps because I really like having something written to refer to. And then on the back of the packing list, you're not going to be able to tell what this is, but this is my outfit planner. So I picked out all pieces that I want to wear in France, and I put them into categories of tops, bottoms, and dresses, and coats, shoes, PJs, you know, all those different categories, and then I give them all a letter. And so from A through, looks like I have A through N, and then I take those letters, and those now become the items of clothing, and then I make outfits. So I have outfits J, F, E, M. And those are all, so then I refer to my little chart, and that tells me what this outfit is. And that really helps me be able to have a visual of how many outfits I'm going to have, what I'm bringing, and it helps me plan my airport outfit and all those different items. So I would definitely recommend doing that. For my airport outfit, I have chosen this pair of booties, and they're super comfortable. I got them off Amazon, and I really enjoy them, and they go with a lot of different things, and they are bigger than my other shoes. So what I do is, for my traveling outfit, or the outfit I'm wearing on the airplane, I choose all of the bulkiest clothing so I can fit as much in my bag. So I chose these shoes, and then I have this big gray coat that will go with everything. And we are going at the end of February, beginning of March, so it'll probably still be chilly. So this is nice and warm, and it's very classy. And then a pair of jeans, just because jeans are comfy. And then this really big wool sweater. And this is super comfy too. So definitely, I try and pack the biggest things, but I also try and pack stuff that's comfortable. I'm going to start with my purse first. So let me explain the whole backpack situation. So we're taking a backpack for safety reasons, just so we're not screaming we're a tourist. So we're taking a backpack, which will be our carry-on item, and then we get a personal item, which you could choose another backpack. I'm bringing a very large purse. So this purse that I got this from eBags, and it's a Travelon purse, and the straps are slash-proof, and the bag itself is slash-proof. It's really cute. I really like it. On the back, there's this back pocket with a zipper. I don't think I'll personally use the back pocket just because I can't monitor as much as the front pocket. But there is this front pocket right here, and it's 2 zippers secured with a little clip. And the pocket just goes like this, and then folds open like this, and it's got this big pocket right here. And then it's got this folder where you can put money, and it's got it's got credit card holders or any kind of card holders right here that have RFID blockers on them built into the sleeves. So that's really nice, and it's got an additional pocket right here. So I'm gonna keep immediate things right in here, like cash and all those different things. We will be exchanging to euros. Now in the big pocket, this is really big. Like, this is in comparison, this is a 24-ounce water bottle. And so this is a big purse. And it's got this little contraption right here that you twist, and the flap lifts up. And then, this is an anti-theft purse too. And then it's got the same clip and zipper situation. And on the inside, I have packed, oh, show you the inside. The inside has a pocket right here. I don't know if you can see it that well. There it is, right there. There's a zip pocket. And then I put a book. I have clip-on lenses for my phone, first aid kit, and my charger and my power converter. And I also have a neck pillow and a sleeping mask in there. I also think because of the size of this purse is so big, it'll be great when we're going around and I'm buying stuff, and I can just shove it in here. It's safe, and then I'm not carrying a bunch of bags around with me, which is not very safe. Also in this front pocket, I have several keys, and these keys are for the locks that are going on my backpack zippers. This is going to be super important, especially because we're going to be on the metro. You're just packed in tight, and pickpocketers are everywhere. So this is going to be really important. This is my backpack. It's a beast. And I also got this from eBags. This is the Weekender Convertible TLS backpack. So this thing is ginormous, and it's the biggest size you can have for a backpack that still meets the carry-on requirements. So I've got this little tag here that people can scan on their phone if they find my bag. And then on each of the zippers where I'm keeping things, I have TSA approved locks. And that is what this key is for. So the front of the backpack has this little pocket right here. I'm not keeping anything in it, but I'm just using it to show the lock. But I am keeping something in this pocket, this big one, not this little slit. So the locks have little, not the locks, the zippers. The zippers have little hooks on them. So when they zip shut, the little hooks go like this, and then you can't open them without unlocking it. And I got these locks off of Amazon for like $10 for a pack of 4. And I'm going to open up this pocket, and what I'm keeping in this front pocket, it's got lots of organizers. But because I don't want to have to get into my backpack while I'm at the airport at all, I just want to keep everything that I'm going to need immediately in my purse. I'm just keeping my liquids case for going through security, and I'm just going to open it up. So I'm taking lots and lots of makeup. I'm taking 3 liquid lipsticks, a concealer, and a little travel of foundation, a travel cleanser, 4 liquid lipsticks, a mascara, my facial serum, my setting spray, toothpaste, and then I have these little containers. They're not filled right now, but one container is going to be for moisturizer, and the other container is going to be for eye makeup remover. And these are just little containers. And for shampoo and conditioner, instead of packing little travel bottles, what I did is you can have companies send these to you for free, and they're just sample packets of shampoo and conditioner and just these little sleeves. So I'm just bringing 2 of each thing, 2 conditioner, 2 shampoo, and all of this is in a clear 1-quart TSA approved toiletries bag. Now this bag does have an expansion zipper and compression straps, so that helps on space. Ooh, now we're gonna go into the beast. And I was pretty impressed with myself when I was packing this today. I am packing this ahead of time. Obviously, I'm not like leaving today or tomorrow, so I could film this video. But I actually have a ton of space, and that's gonna be filled with souvenirs when I come back. So you lift it up, And you have this mesh bag right here, which has my second pair of shoes. And these are just leather, little kind of loafer style shoes. And they have this really weird stuff on the bottom, but they are so, so comfortable. We're going to be doing tons of walking. So that's all I have in the mesh pocket. Now in the inside, you can see I have tons of space. Like, this is all, there's like this much room to the top of the backpack. So I am good on space. And it has compression straps on the inside too. There is a divider right here in between the two compartments. And on this side I have all clothes, and they're not in packing cubes right now because I haven't gotten my packing cubes yet, but they will be. And on this side I also have clothes as well, and I have this coat that it's a puffy coat, but it goes into this little bag. I have a little travel umbrella and another power converter. So that's what's in there. And I also have this bag, just a little toiletries case, and it has my deodorant and all of my makeup brushes and my beauty sponge in it. And then up here I have pajamas, over here is clothes, and then I have the rest of my makeup and beauty care stuff that's obviously not a liquid. So I've got my hairbrush, my toothbrush, and then all of my makeup products that aren't liquid, so eyeshadows, bronzers, powders, eyebrows. And this, I actually kind of like bury it a little bit in the clothing just to give it lots of cushion. And all of the clothes in here I roll. This is really important. It really helps save space. Let me see what I'm bringing. I'm bringing 5 shirts, 2 dresses, leggings, a skirt, and 2 pairs of jeans. So that's all that I'm bringing really as far as clothes. And for 10 days, that's not a lot really. But if you look into capsule wardrobes and you just pick really neutral items of clothing, and then you can rearrange them however you want to create as many outfits as possible. And this is going to help you save on space. It's going to be more convenient, and it's going to save a lot of time because you're not packing a bunch of clothing. And when you get home, you're not having to deal with a bunch of clothes that need to be washed. So that really helped me out a lot, and that helps me save on space, and I can fit more stuff with me home. So that's everything that's in my purse and backpack. Alright guys, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the kind of traveling, what's in my backpack, kind of talking about the trip a little bit. I just always love watching these videos before I'm traveling. It just really helps me prepare myself and get everything ready, and I always write down all of the different tips. So I just thought this would be really informative, and since I'm going to France, might as well talk about it instead of creating a traveling video when I'm not going anywhere. So that is all for today, and I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.